Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a loan on PNC Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pnc.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official PNC Bank website. Now once you're inside the home page, click on the sign on button at the top right corner and then enter your user ID and your password. And after entering both of these credentials, click on the login button and you will be logged into your account. Now if you want, then you can also continue without logging in by choosing the different kind of loans that you see within the home page. After you click on whichever kind of loan you want to apply for, you will be taken into the application page. Now if you scroll down, you can check your loan rates by choosing your loan type, your loan amount, and by entering your zip code. After clicking on the Get Rates button, you can get an estimation for your loans. After finding out all of the details, you can click on Apply to refinance your auto loan. After checking out all of the details, you can click on the Apply Now button and then you will be taken into the loan application page. From the application page, you can proceed with fulfilling all of your required credentials, and once the PNC team has verified all of your information, you will receive an email response within your email address. Just check within the email and you will find the instructions that you can follow to finalize your loan. Once you follow the instructions and your loan has been finalized, your loan will successfully be granted. And there you have it. That is how you can apply for a loan on PNC Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.